Good morning, students. Welcome to Class 10, English Reader, Chapter 11, The Proposal, written by Anton Chekhov. Introduction. The Proposal, written by Anton Chekhov, a famous Russian playwright, is a highly humorous play which satirizes marriage convenience that are solemnized without any feeling of love and affection between the partners. This is a one-act play which shows the tendency of wealthy families to seek ties with other wealthy families to increase their estates. The play, with three quarrelsome characters, is shown with the comic situations that generate a lot of humor. Summary. Ivan Lomov, a young man of a large fortune, comes to his neighbor Stefan Stefanovich Chabukov's house in a formal dress. Initially, Chebukov thought that Lomov had come to propose to his daughter. Chebukov feels very happy and goes to call his daughter. While Chebukov is away, Lomov thinks about his decision to marry. He is 35 years old and suffers from palpitations. He is excited and not able to sleep. Though Lomov doesn't consider Natalia to be an ideal match for him, yet, knowing his limitations, he decides to take this step. Natalia is not only good-looking and well-educated, but she is an excellent housekeeper. When Lomov tells Chebukov about the purpose of his visit, the old man gets very excited. He is absolutely certain that Natalia would readily give her consent for the proposal. However, when Natalia comes to the drawing room, she is surprised to see Lomov in a formal dress, as she doesn't know the purpose of his visit. After exchanging a few pleasantries, when Lomov is just on the verge of proposing to the girl, there crops up a controversy between two of them regarding the ownership of a piece of land, Oxen Meadows. Both Lomov and Natalia claim to be the real owner of this property. Initially, both of them claim it very politely. However, soon the argument becomes very heated and they start shouting at each other. In the meantime, Chebukov also makes his entry and he joins the two arguments. After a lot of accusations at each other's family, the flared-up Lomov becomes unwell and his heart starts palpitating dangerously. He leaves the father and daughter in a fit of temper. Soon after he leaves, Natalia gets to know from her father that he had come to propose to her. Instantly she creates a scene. She tells her father to get back Lomov immediately. Both father and daughter accuse each other of driving Lomov out. However, the father runs after Lomov and gets him back. This time, Natalia is very sweet to Lomov, but she doesn't know how to make him propose to her. Unfortunately, there is yet another argument between the two before the proposal is made. This time, they start quarreling over the superiority of their respective dogs. Soon both of them flared up once again, and Chibuko also joins them. They abuse and accuse each other repeatedly. Lomo, too frail to continue the argument, falls into a chair exhausted. Natalia, taking the unconscious man to be dead, starts wailing. Chibuko is also nervous, but the moment he realized that Lomo is not dead, with all his presence of mind, he puts Lomo's hand into his daughter's hand and gives consent for the wedding on Natalia's behalf. He gives his blessings and makes them kiss each other. He rushes to get the entire drama through, so that the weight of marrying Natalia still goes off his shoulder. However, though the proposal matters, Lomo and Natalia still continue to argue with each other about the superiority of their dogs. When the curtain drops, the reader is left guessing about the fate of this couple after the two get married. Theme. The theme of the play, The Proposal, is the fate of marriages that are solemnized with a deceitful intent on the part of both the partners. In such marriages of convenience, love always takes a back seat. An ideal marriage is a union of two hearts as well as families. But in The Proposal, it is neither the union of two loving hearts nor the union of two families. At the thematic level, the author aims at condemning such marriages and artistically hints at his own concept of an ideal marriage that is the result of true and selfless love. Message. The Proposal is humorous, and it may be defined as a funny play for the theatre, based on ridiculous situations and events. Obviously, such a play is not supposed to be giving any message as such. However, a masterly playwright like Chekhov will not write anything just for the sake of, even if it happens to be a humorous play. Thus, The Proposal indirectly presents the author's reflection on how not to commence one's married life. Marriage is a solemn bond between two persons which must be based on mutual respect and love. Thus, we should not spoil the sacredness of marriage by quarreling and by being mean and selfish. Marriage is pious, and there must be a perfect accord between the partners, who should be free from all prejudice and selfishness. Short temper, rage, intolerance, pride, and unnecessary arguments ruin relationships. Thank you, students.